Hi, what is M sand? Why is it replacing river sand? Stop. Are you still using river sand for construction? You might be making a big mistake. Today I'll tell you why M sand is replacing river sand and why you should consider using it for your dream home. So watch till the end to save money and protect the environment. M sand is artificially made by crushing hard granite stones into fine particles. Unlike natural river sand, M sand is consistent in quality and strength. Crushed and processed from hard rocks, precisely graded for consistency, free from organic and clay impurities. River sand is becoming scarce and illegal mining is destroying our environment. Governments are banning excessive river sand usage, and that's why M sand is taking over. Eco-friendly, no river mining, easily available, no shortage, uniform quality, no clay or silt issues. Comparison between M sand and river sand. M sand is higher compressive strength. River sand quality varies, weakens over time. M sand less water needed for mixing. River sand absorbs more water, more cement usage. M sand is 30% cheaper and easily available. River sand expensive due to restrictions and transportation. Not all M sand is created equal. Here is how you check the quality before buying. No dust or powdery residue. Should feel granular or muddy. Angular and rough texture ensures better bonding with cement. Passes IS 383 standards. Always check certification. So, if you want high quality, eco-friendly and cost-effective construction, switch to M sand today. Say no to illegal river sand mining and build a stronger future. Need the best quality M sand for your project? Contact JCGEC. We will help you build with strength and sustainability. If this video has helped you, please do like, share and follow for more expert construction tips. Thank you.